Today in Old Bob's Old Typewriters, a quick fix for a typewriter that may not be advancing when typing. Ever had this issue? Here's a Smith Corona Galaxie 12 typewriter from 1975 that a customer brought in because it wasn't advancing whilst typing. Every key pressed typed at the same location. The carriage moves freely, tab works, but even spacing and power spacing don't advance the carriage. What could it be? Turns out the customer put a new ribbon on here. It's an okay ribbon for the typewriter and looks mounted correctly. Except that it's a cheap ribbon from Amazon and has one little flaw. It doesn't have any eyelets on the ends of the ribbon to reverse the ribbon direction. This typewriter, like many, advances the ribbon with each key press. If that's not working, then the carriage may not move. The ribbon certainly won't move when it's at the end, and thus you will be typing on the same spot of the ribbon. In fact, you can see that the ribbon has holes in it from repeated typing in the same spot. You can manually reverse the ribbon under the hood, here with this lever. Guess what? It all works now. So this ribbon isn't the correct kind for this typewriter. I can easily replace that by replacing with the proper ribbon, or since this is a nice fresh ribbon, I have the tools to add some eyelets to this ribbon. Either method will fix the problem. All done, and now we can test that the ribbon does indeed change the direction once a reverse mechanism is engaged by the ribbon eyelets. This 1975 Smith Corona 12 is ready to go back to the customer, and a grandson can finally start typing that great story he's working on. Thanks for watching Old Bob's Old Typewriters. If you have a typewriter that you need some help with, send me a note. Check my website, oldbobsoldtypewriters.com, or other videos in my typewriter playlist.